And I'll do one of the problems here. You should be able to get the other one from what I do on the first. Okay, but you're going to write the equation of a line that's parallel to the given line and passes through the given point. Okay, so in order for lines to be parallel, okay, what do you know about their slopes? Slopes are equal. So if we take this equation, this first equation has a slope. So here's the equation, y equals negative 2x minus 4. What is the slope of that equation? Negative 2. Therefore, the slope of the parallel line will be negative 2. And if we looked for the slope of the perpendicular, which is the second part to this question, the perpendicular is going to have a slope of what? Negative reciprocal. So change the sign, flip the fraction, so it becomes a positive 1/2. So here's the information that you're dealing with. So for our parallel line, we take our equation y equals mx plus b. We have our slope for that of negative 2. And we want to find what our corresponding y-intercept is. Well, we have the known point, an x-coordinate of 2, and a y-coordinate of negative 1. So we can substitute those in for the x and the y of our slope-intercept equation, and then we solve. So perform the math on this. Negative 1 equals negative 4 plus b. Add 4 to both sides. We get b is equal to 3. So our parallel line is going to have the equation y equals, our m value is negative 2x plus our b value of 3. So this would be our parallel line. Okay, to do the same thing for the perpendicular, we go through this same process. Take our y equals mx plus b. This time we have a slope of 1/2, so we can plug that in. We have a x and a y value to plug in. Again, it's the same ones. Plug in a 2 for x, a negative 1 for y. And when you work to solve this, again, perform the math on it. 1/2 of 2 is just the 1. So when you simplify this, we subtract a 1 from both sides. We get a b value, or y-intercept, of negative 2. And so now we can plug those in to our equation. Y equals mx plus b. Our b value is negative 2. And so that's the process you would use for the part B as well. So in part B, the one thing that we can find from that, what is the known slope of the original equation? 1/2. Therefore, the slope of the parallel line will be 1/2, and the slope of the perpendicular will be negative 2.